What up mga solid subscribers to? So ngayon guys, so, papanoorin po natin yung mga performance po ito. Actually ito yung nag number 1, nag number 2 and true na nag champion po sa Chosen Grounds po, no? So ito panoorin po natin guys, no? So una na panoorin is yung nag second runner up, which is yung Armada po, no? So ay guys, no? Tara panoorin natin to, no? Ngayon ko lang gagawin to guys, yung tatlo yung papanoorin natin, no? So try naman natin, no? Hindi yung pa isa-isa na. Without further ado, let's all watch this. Okay, let's go. Try na to. Armada, let's go. Sige. Ay, sa mga nagsasabi pala dyan na mas malaki pa daw yung mukha ko kaysa preview ng video, no? Ewan ko sa inyo. Kaya nga reaction video, eh. Meron naman, puntahan nyo lang yung link sa balay ko na description sa baba para panood nyo yung video, no? So, ang ano lang naman dito is, syempre, ma-review natin yun sa'yo, no? Diba? So, gusto nyo laki ako, pero ayoko. Para pumunta kayo sa mismong video. Let's go.
I remember you was conflicted.
Hey. Hey, armada yung bitawan. Let's go. This is not a rapper, I'm slinking. Go move. This is cold second, plenty cognac and major pain. Oh. Hey, let's go, Migo Bodo. This is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since the day I was looking at a different. Grabe ah, tuloy-tuloy ah, walang hinto ah. Poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition flow inside my DNA. Hey. This is my heritage, all I'm inheriting. Money and power, the Mecca American. Let's get blocked. Tell me something, you motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. This how this when you in the matrix, dodging bullets, reaping what you're sowing, stacking up the freight. Nahit na rin. Buddy, who you belt? You ain't without a ticket on your plate. Tell me when destruction gonna be my fate. It's money, murder, ID. Hey, that sequence though. Hey. Ang ganda part na. Ginawa. Sinabayan nila yun, no? Ang angas lang. Ayun na. That please. That's right, hopping on a 40 with a 5. 1 ticket, 2 ticket, 3 ticket, 4 million. Put that little Maybach truck in the garage. Parang wave yun, ha? Body wave one day. Grabe yung transition dito sa part na to. Hindi may mapasok na sa likod. Malinis nun, ha? Akala ko nung time na yun is nawala sila sa gitna. Yung pala, napaka-clever nun, ha? Then may step sila para mag-reset sila sa gitna, no? Diba? Ang angas nun. Ito. Hey now, say now, get sticky like a hun bun. You will never be the main guy, you're a plus one. Talagang tansyado na yung blockings nila. Cutting off on the rope, I come get it, you don't love me, you love the optics that come.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me, that come my seat. Tell me why the you fed if you criminal. It's a full moon, let the wolves out, I've been a dog. Squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up, squabble up. Where are you from?
Sagutan.
I'm a one. Squabble up. Second bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, somebody gotta do it. Turn his TV off, 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 turn his TV off. Crazy.
Hey, let's go.
Hilarious, crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious, crazy, scary, hilarious, crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious.
Let's go. Solido. Kaya talaga trademark ng Armada yung gano, yung tapos bilang boom, sabog, no? Isa yun sa mga nila na nakikita ko mga madalas ginagamit nila, no? Solid, no? Power talaga tong Armada, no? Power sila, kung power talaga gumalaw, napakalinis. And yun, ganun talaga sila, like
power kung power talaga sila kung gumalaw, guys. And meron na set na nila yung identity nila pagdating sa choreography, no. Hindi ko ma-explain maigi kung paano ga-explain yung choreography nila, no. Basta Miko Bodo po talaga yung galaw niya, no? Like may part sila na ma-bouncy na steps, pero at the same time, guys, hard hitting yung mga steps, no. So ganun ka talim yung mga mga bitawan po talaga ng steps, no. So okay, next natin ay bows. Let's go. Bows tayo. Medyo theatrical yung setup nila. Ito, ang tawag dyan yung machine. Jukebox ba? Woo!
First order of biz, no snitching. I try to keep it silent, but the kids don't listen. Birthday, got another hit, no flinching. And tell them send them watch it at the fit, oh Chris. Lights off, go and took it if you know that ass off. Deep dive and get lost. Go and turn up if you know that you
Hey. Grabe, no? Ito yung mga sayaw na hindi mo halos alam kung saan ka titingin, kasi kaliwa sa kanan may nangyayari po talaga. Iba yung steps na ginagawa nila, no? Kumbaga yung mga elements ng sayaw nila mismo is talagang iba-iba po talaga, no? Hindi yung to the point na all the time is ayan, pareho kayo, nasa gitna lang kayo, sumasayaw lang kayo, no? Ito yung mga ganung klaseng sayaw to. So iba naman yung hinain nila ritong bitawan ng steps and arrangement ng choreography talaga. Never nawala, laging merong nangyayari.
They not like us. They not like oh.
Oh. Hey.
I'ma do my stuff.
Hey, grabe yan. Oh. Nakaka-out of balance yan, guys, habang gumagalaw yung lamesa. Hey, steel chair. Hey, let's go. Ooh! Let's go, Sir Anon. Oh, Sir Anon. Tik na galaw yan. Eh, grabe. Grabe, napaka-fluid nun, Oh! Wow! God damn! Solid dun, guys. Ang asong part ni Sir Anon, nakala ko yung gagawin na niyang part doon na steps is more on hard-hitting steps na talaga, so powerful mga steps na. Pero ang ginawa niya is may part siya biglang magbabago yung dynamics ng galaw, biglang babagal and then making fluid and then and then fluid ulit. Angas, grabe. Alam niya, kabisado niya yung tamang texture na pwedeng ihain sa mga music na. Galing talaga, no? Galing ni Sir Anon, solid ni Sir Anon. So, yan. Ang hinain na rito is napaka-theatrical, no? So, ibang-iba siya sa ginawa ng Armada talaga, no? Galing. Solid ng boss. Okay. Tingnan natin naman itong sino nga yung nag-champion? Autonomica. So nandito si Dustin. Let's go. Coach Dustin. Okay, and then si Madam nalimutan ko pangalan niya. Very very sorry, no. Wait nga, i-search natin, hindi pwedeng malimutan ko kasi nag-judge sa amin yan, yung sa event ng Street Crew 04 ng grupo namin, no. Nag-judge siya, no. Okay, Madam Renely pala, no. Nakita ko na, guys, no. Very very sorry po, no. So, Madam Renely, no, napakasolid niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong nickname niya or kung Renely talaga yung tinatawag sa kanya, no. So, ayan, okay. Tara, panoorin na to. Excited na ako. So, ano kayang hiyain na lang? No, let's go. Oh, okay. Okay, nagsisimula pa lang yata sila ng pacing na ito. Nag-set sila ng momentum. Nice. Sumulpot sila ng ano ron, ha? Bad trip, akala ko. Ayan na. Nakaroon na. Bad trip. Let's go. Let's go, coach. Saktan.
Nagpapaligaya sa munting nawawala.
Ang sarap lang napapasok nila iba't ibang style ng sayaw sa gantong klaseng music. Nakakasa nasa kaliwa. Oh, may ginagawa silang Gogi, ang ganda. Ang creative na, nagpapay-face up. Hey, nagpasok na ng walking. Ay, grabe, oh. Ah! Lagi tumatay yung balayibo ko. Shit! Uy, lagi. Tagdag. Hey, that illusion. Okay, bigla sila nag-switch. Hey, isolation. So, yun pala yung twist, no? Akalaan may ibang meaning, pero eto pala. Pero syempre, di ba? Siningit din nila, no? Para, ano rin, para sa tawag doon, ang tamang term doon, yung parang, kumbaga icebreaker, or basta katuan, or hindi ko alam ang tamang term, no? Wow! Tumayo balahibo ko doon, no? Grabe! Gandang music, gagawan nila ng napaka-risky nun at the same time. Hindi nila, syempre, hindi nila sure kung ma-appreciate ng tao na, pero sobrang effective kasi na-justify nila na yun yung gagawin talaga nila, ano. Hindi ko alam. Yung first and second, iba talaga. Lahat sila, iba-iba pinakita, Yung Armada, iba talaga yung pinakita, guys, no. And then yung Baus, iba rin yung pinakita. At the same time, itong Autonomica, sobrang iba yung pinakita nila dito na set of choreography, no. So, yung first and second, no, medyo ano pa yun, medyo hindi natin alam kung sino magpe-place talaga doon. Pwede sila for me, pwede sila pero super deserved ng Autonomicas maging champion talaga, no doubt, no. Pero alam naman ako, guys, no, this is just my own opinion, no. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi, nagmamarunong ka, hindi ka naman judge. Siyempre, guys, no, may experience naman ako sa pagkasayo kahit na paano, di ba, no. And ayun, grabe, napakaganda nitong choreography ng Autonomicas, as in, wow. Yung emotions, yung pagbitaw ng steps nila, guys, no, andun nai-hit nila, lalo nung part na, alam mo yun, inabangan ko na yung part na umaangat na yung momentum ng kanta, biglang, Dustin na to, for sure. So, yun nga, grabe, wow, speechless ako doon. Ewan ko, guys, kung ilalapag pa ng Autonomicas to sa ibang mga competition pa, no, I think magiging untouchable tong choreography na to. For me po talaga, no, kasi sa akin, magiging untouchable to. Sobrang grabe nito, no. Dudurog to ng mga stage palalo. Napaka-unique, sobrang unique. Grabe. Pero syempre, a very big shoutout sa Armada. Napaka-solid. Iba yung bitawan talaga nila, no. And then syempre yung Baus, no, solid din po talaga. Yung Autonomicas, napaka-solid din po, no. Lahat to sobrang deserve po talaga na andito sa sa top 3 na to, no, as in. Sobrang very well deserved po talaga sila, no. So kung gusto niyo panood ko pa yung mga susunod na ibang videos dito sa Chosen Crowds, comment lang kayo down below, no, and panoorin po natin 'yan, no. And alam ko marami pa akong video na pwedeng panoorin dito, no, yung mga nag-place 4th placer onwards, no. Panoorin natin. Comment kayo down below. Pinakamaraming likes or pinakamaraming comments, yun ang unahin natin, no. So, ilang maraming salamat. So, yan, no. Leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell, no, para na nyo pag-order ng bagong video, no. So, yan. This is me, Point of It, signing out. Peace. Last G.